In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email capture form in Wistia. We'll use Turnstile, Wistia's built-in email capture form, to collect viewer emails and optionally names right on your video. This is perfect for growing your list, qualifying leads, or following up with viewers who are engaged. Start by logging into your Wistia account. Head to Media and open the video you want to enhance. On the left sidebar, click Customize. This is where all of your visual and interactive options live for that specific video. Next, find and select Turnstile. Toggle Turnstile on to enable it. As soon as it's on, you'll see settings that control how and when the form appears, as well as what information you request from viewers. Choose the behavior that fits your goal. Pause video will stop playback when the form appears, which prompts most viewers to interact before continuing. This is great when capturing emails is essential to your strategy. Overlay on hover will show the form when someone moves their mouse over the video while it keeps playing. It's less interruptive and works well if you want to maintain momentum while still offering an easy way to subscribe. Now customize the appearance and text. Keep the message clear and concise, and tell viewers what they'll get in exchange for sharing their email, like updates, resources, or access to related content. You can require email only, or also ask for first and last name. If you want to minimize friction and boost completion rates, email only is typically the best starting point. Decide when the form appears. You can place it at a specific time in the video, often after the hook or before a key section, or set it to appear on hover. Avoid dropping it in the very first seconds unless that's a deliberate choice. If your account provides list settings, adjust them so new signups are routed to the correct list or audience segment. Consider whether to allow skipping. Turning on skip can reduce friction for viewers who are just browsing, while disabling it generally increases conversions. Choose what aligns with your viewer experience and goals. When everything looks right, click Save. Your video will now display the email capture form exactly when and how you selected. That's all there is to it. With a thoughtful message, smart timing, and the right behavior, Turnstile can turn your Wistia views into meaningful contacts you can nurture over time.